Okay, so let's climb the staircase. What is the case like? In how many ways? In how many ways you can climb the staircase with four steps, taking one or two steps at a time. एक सीढ़ी चढ़नी है, हमारे पास staircase है 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this, and we need to climb this, but we can only take one or two steps at a time. एक बार में या तो आप एक step लोगे या दो step लोगे, that's it. So let's number our steps 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I need to climb this staircase which have got 4 steps. ठीक है, एक simple example से start करते हैं. Why 4? Let's start with, suppose we have only 0 steps. Number of steps in our staircase is only 0. So in how many ways we can climb this? In how many ways we can climb this? 0 है, that means we are on the ground level itself. 0 means we are on the ground level. अब 0 steps पर, in how many ways I can step on this ground level? Obviously one way. And what is that way? Just stand there, isn't it? अच्छा, अब बताइए, if I have one step only, staircase में सिर्फ there is one step, then in how many ways I can climb on this one step? तो एक ही तरीका तो होगा, that is one way. Fine, good. चलिए, now we have a task. Suppose we have 2 steps on this staircase, then in how many ways I can climb this? I can take either 1, 1, मतलब एक के बाद एक, or I can take 2 steps at a time. और कोई तरीका बनेगा? Either I move on to 1 and then 2, or I straight away go to 2. तो दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं हम लोग, 2 ways. Wonderful. 3 हुए तो 3 पे थोड़ा सा काम करना पड़ेगा, है ना? Let's see. I can climb like 1, 1, 1, or it can be 2, 1, or it can be 1, 2, है ना? 1, 1, 1 एक तरीका हो गया, 2 स्टेप लिया फिर 1 स्टेप लिया, और एक स्टेप लिया और फिर 2 स्टेप लिया. That means I can do it in 3 ways. Wonderful. 4 है अगर, 4 कितना बनता है? केसेस देखें. I can have 1, 1, 1, 1. Then अगर पहले 2 1 को कंबाइन करके एक बार 2 लें तो 2, 1, 1. अरे बाबा, 2, 1, 1. Then that gives me 4. Then I can have 1, 2, 1. That also gives me 4. Then I can have 2, 1, 1. That also gives me 4. And then I can go for 2, 2. है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 तरीके हो गए. In 5 ways I can climb. ठीक है? Now what I'll ask you people to do, let's try for 5 steps. आप 5 स्टेप में करके बताइए. If I have got 5 steps, in how many ways I can climb the staircase? Please try. ठीक है? In 5 steps, how I can climb the staircase. So you must have tried for 5. Let's see कि 5 steps अगर हैं तो what to do. In 4 I can see I have written this 2, 1, 1. It should be actually 1, 1, 2. ठीक है, it will be 5. Suppose now I have 5 steps. 5 steps अगर हैं तो first case would be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. ठीक है, अगर हम ध्यान दें so we will obviously always get confused in arranging this, जैसा कि पिछली बार मेरे साथ हुआ. हमने 2, 1, 1 को फिर से 2, 1, 1 लिख दिया, जबकि actually it should be 1, 1, 2. तो what I'll suggest कि यहाँ पर हम permutation का अगर इस्तेमाल करें while we are arranging, we would be in a better position कि हम उसका तुरंत आंसर सही निकाल सकें. So first case is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then second, if I combine the first 2, 1 into 2, it will be 2, 1, 1, 1. 5 ऐसे भी बन सकता है. Then I can also make 5 with 2, 2, 1, and these will be the 3 cases. अब फटाफट सिर्फ इनको अरेंज कर लेते हैं. It will always help me. So 5 ones can be arranged in how many ways? सिंपल परमुटेशन का सम बन गया ये, एक सिंपल परमुटेशन का सम बन गया. फैक्टोरियल 5 by factorial 5, that is one way I can arrange it. If I have 2 1 1 1, that means I have four objects out of which these three objects are alike. I can arrange them in factorial 4 by factorial 3, that is four ways. And in how many ways I can arrange 2 to 1? I have three objects where two are alike. So factorial 3 divided by factorial 2 will give me 3 ways. So total 8 ways. So I have total 8 ways of climbing a staircase which have got 5 steps. Now this is becoming simple, and we can very easily use permutation to find the number of ways. ठीक, let's try it with one more. एक और हम यूज करते हैं 6 ही करते हैं, 6 steps. 6 steps if I have. So I can climb like 1 1 1 1 1 1. 6 बन गए. Yes, 6. This is one case. First 1 and 1 को combine करेंगे, I'll get 2. Then 1 1 1 1. I'll permute it to find the number of cases in this. The next two को if I combine, so it will be 2 2 1 1. And the next two if I combine, this will become 2 2 2. So 4 cases बनेंगे. In how many ways I can arrange them? First case, 6 items factorial 6, but all 6 are alike, one way. In next I have 1 2 3 4 5 items arranged factorial 5, out of which 4 are alike, 5 ways. Then I have 1 2 3 4 4 objects, out of which 2 are alike and 2 ones are also alike. So 24 by 4 will give me 6 ways, and this is 3 objects arranged, all 3 are alike, that is one way. 7 8 13 ways. 13 ways. ठीक. Now I just can't go keep on doing for 7 8 9. बहुत easily हम ये कर सकते हैं, because with help of permutation concept, with help of arrangement concept, we can do this. ठीक, अभी थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर analyze करना है, and what is the learning out of it, this is what we are here for. ठीक, यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें, if I make a note of how many steps were there and in how many ways we can climb. So we have discussed step 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 भी हमने डिस्कस किया. 7 8 भी अगर हो तो can we find this with the series. 0 steps I can climb in one way. 1 step था, so that was 1. When there were 2 steps, I was taking 2 ways to climb. When there were 3, I was taking 3. और हमने calculate भी किया. When there were 4 steps, we can climb in 5 ways. When there were 5, we can do it in 8 ways. Then 13 ways. ठीक है, अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो this is nothing but a Fibonacci series. This is how a Fibonacci series is designed. This is how a question of staircase problem can be solved with help of Fibonacci series. Then we have a fair idea about like what is Fibonacci series. In Fibonacci series, any term n is given by its previous term plus previous to previous term. मतलब sum of last two terms. कोई भी Fibonacci term series का कोई भी term is equal to sum of last two term. अगर यही हम follow करें तो यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं. Now this is 1 plus 1 gives me 2, 1 plus 2 gives me 3, 2 plus 3 is giving me 5, 3 5 is 8, 5 8 is 13. So 8 plus 13 should be 8 और 13 कितना हो गया आपका 21. And 21 plus 13 is 34. That means if I need to find that in how many ways I can climb a staircase with 8 stairs where I can take only 1 or 2 steps at a time, I should get answer 34. I should get answer 34. Very quickly, let us do this with permutation concept also, and we will be sure that yes, this staircase problem is actually following a Fibonacci series. तो एक बार और करने की कोशिश करते हैं. If we have 8 steps on the staircase, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 one case, then 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6. हाँ ठीक है. फिर 2 2 1 1 1 1 8, 2 2 2 1 1 is 8, then 2 2 2 2 is also 8. So first case we know factorial 8 by factorial 8 one way. Second में है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 factorial 7 by factorial 6 equals to 7 ways. Then we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 factorial 6 by factorial 4 into factorial 2. तो 6 पंजे 30 by 2 15 केस. Then we have 3 2 5 factorial 5 by factorial 3 into factorial 2. So 5 into 4 20 by 2 is 10, and then this is factorial 4 by factorial 4, that is 1. So 25, 26, 27 and 7, 34. Checked. Yes. Our series of climbing a staircase. So a simple concept which we can do. When we are climbing a staircase with like n number of steps, ठीक है, where one can take only 1 or 2 steps at a time. At a time, we can form a Fibonacci series. And with that series, finding solution is pretty easy now. Okay, but we need to make sure that our series is starting with n equals to 0, because if we can see the series, we started with 0 steps. Our series is starting with 0 steps. That means अगर आपसे पूछा like in 11 steps, if there are 11 steps, then actually we are calculating what? F of 12, means 12th term in the Fibonacci series, isn't it? और हम फिर से एक बार Fibonacci series को देखें. What was the series like? It was 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34 and then 55 89 and on and on. We are starting with 0 steps. 0 steps on the staircase. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. अभी 11 बोला है तो 89 plus 55 कितना हो गया? 9 plus 4 is 14. 1 9 and 5 is 14. So 11 stairs. 11 stairs में it should be 144 ways. But अगर Fibonacci series के term count करें, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is the 12th term of the series, which will be giving me 11 steps. इतनी सी सिंपल बात याद रखनी है, ठीक है. But what if I tell you or if I ask you on the same staircase with maybe like 3 steps, or 4 steps, whatever. In how many ways I can climb this? If I am allowed to take 3 steps at a time. 3 steps at a time. Matlab, I'm allowed to take either step 1, I can take 1 step at a time, I can take 2 steps at a time, I can also take 3 steps at a time. 3 steps at a time. Then what will happen if I have 3 or 4, or you may try with 4 steps. Please pause the video and try it. So hopefully you must have tried it. Let's see again why with 3 or 4 steps. एक ही स्टेप से चालू करते हैं ना, जीरो ग्राउंड से ही चालू करते हैं ना इस केस में भी. Steps and in how many ways we can climb. Suppose we have 0 steps, तो अपने को मालूम है सिर्फ एक ही तरीका होता है. We have 1 steps, एक ही तरीका है, 1 way to climb. Suppose we have 2 steps on this staircase, जहाँ पर हम 1, 2, 3 steps भी ले सकते हैं. I can climb like 1, 1 और 2. 3 का तो कोई सीन ही नहीं आता because 3 steps है ही नहीं. 2 ways, great. Now if I have 3 steps, I can go like 1, 1, 1. फिर से वही 2, 1 और उसको परम्यूट करेंगे. Then I can go 2, 1. I can go 1, 2. And यहाँ पर 3 भी आ जाएगा. Isn't it? Because I can take 3 steps at a time also. मतलब अगर 3 stairs हुए, so I can climb this staircase in 4 ways. 4 हुए तो let's see, थोड़ी सी स्पेस बनाते हैं स्क्रीन में. If I have 4 steps, फिर से परमुटेशन यूज करने की कोशिश करते हैं. I have case 1, 1, 1, 1. Then I will have this case 2, 1, 1. परम्यूट कर देंगे इसको. Then I can have 2, 2. और अब यहाँ पर 1, 3 वाला केस भी ऐड होगा, है ना. Yes. तो परम्यूट करेंगे तो this I'll get factorial 4 by factorial 4, that is 1 way. This is factorial 3 by factorial 2, that is 3 ways आ जाएगा इधर. This will be 1 way and this will be factorial 2, that is 2 way. So 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 1 5 and plus 2 7 ways. 7 ways of climbing if there are 4 steps and I am taking what? I am taking 3 steps also. एक और करते हैं and then we will try to identify the series. If we have 5 steps, 5 step हैं अगर मेरे पास, in how many ways I can climb? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. Then I have 2, 1, 1, 1. It is giving me 5. Then 2, 2, 1. ये भी मुझे 5 दे रहा है. Then I can have 2 and 3. ये भी 5 देगा और पीछे की तरफ जा रहा हूँ मैं 1, 1, 3. ठीक. Let's permute it quickly. This will give me 1. Factorial 4 by factorial 3. Factorial 4 by factorial 3 is 4. This is factorial 3 by factorial 2. 3 ways. This is factorial 2, that is 2 ways. And this is factorial 3 by factorial 2, that is 3. कितना हो गया? 5, 3, 8, 10 and 13. 13 ways. So if I summarize it, क्या देखने को मिलता है? Let's see. Steps and number of ways. Steps हमने लिए 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. देखते हैं 6 और 7 का भी ऐसे निकलता है. So when it 0 steps थे, ground पर 1 था, this was 1. 2 steps के केस में 2 cases बने. 3 steps के केस में we have got 4 cases. For 4 steps it was 7. For 5 steps it was 13. If we look closely, this is not a Fibonacci series. This is actually not a Fibonacci series. में 2 टर्म को ऐड करने पर नहीं हो रहा. But if we look closely, यहाँ पर 3 टर्म को ऐड करने पर मुझे टर्म मिल रहा है. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. Then 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 7 is 13. That means in this case, any term n is given by sum of previous what? Previous 3 terms. अब शायद आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फंडा एकदम क्लियर हो जाएगा कि इफ वी गेट समथिंग लाइक दिस, सीधे एक सीरीज बनेगी बनेगी. नाउ you can very easily find that if there are 6 steps on the staircase and I am allowed to take 1, 2 or 3 steps at a time, then in how many ways it can be done? 4 plus 7 plus 13. 4 plus 7 plus 13 and you will see that 24 आएगा. फिर इसी तरह से 7 और 8 और ऐसे भी आगे कर सकते हैं. ठीक. On that note, एकदम सिंपल अगर हम सिनॉप्सिस बनाएं तो एक और बात कह सकते हैं कि इफ आई एम अलाउड टू टेक लाइक 4 स्टेप्स एट ए टाइम, इफ आई एम allowed to take 1, 2, 3 or 4 steps at a time, obviously here Fn will be sum of previous 4 terms. Fine, starting with always 0. So at the end, let us summarize this also, and summary में भी आपको एक interesting sequence के pattern मिलेंगे. So if we summarize what we did, summarizing the staircase problems, ठीक है, where allowed steps are less than or equals to m at a time. ठीक. So suppose we have steps 0, 1, not steps, हाँ steps भी तो 0 ग्राउंड लेवल से स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 तक देखते हैं. ठीक है. So if I am allowed taking maximum 2 steps at a time, when m is equals to 2, we have seen that we ended up getting Fibonacci series. And what was the steps? 1, 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21 and on. Suppose if m equals to 3 was allowed, we again ended up getting a series. ठीक है. And what was the series? Let's see. What was the series in this case? 1, इसी से स्टार्ट था ना हमारा. 1, then it was 1, then it was 2, for 3 stairs it was 4, फिर 7 आया था. ठीक है. फिर आपका 7 plus 4 plus 2 करेंगे 13, then 24 and we can move on. अब देखिए, if I have Fibonacci series, ध्यान से देखना है, अगर मेरे पास Fibonacci series है, मैं m equals to 3 की सीरीज बहुत आसानी से बना सकता हूँ. ये देखिए, फर्स्ट मैचेस 1, 1. यहाँ तक मैच क्यों कर रहा है? यहाँ तक इसलिए मैच कर रहा है क्योंकि अभी तक हमारे पास 3 स्टेयर्स नहीं आई हैं. तो दिस सीरीज के Fibonacci सीरीज के फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स नेक्स्ट सीरीज के फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स बनेंगे. नाउ वंस वी हैव दिस फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स, वी कैन स्टार्ट मेकिंग द फोर्थ टर्म, बिकॉज नाउ वी नो द फॉर्मेट दैट फोर्थ टर्म विल बी सम ऑफ दीज 3 टर्म्स. हो गया ना? तो Fibonacci सीरीज से M3 वाली सीरीज एकदम आसानी से बनेगी, बिना सॉल्व किए एकदम आसानी से मिलेगी, क्योंकि Fibonacci सीरीज इज समथिंग विच वी नो, याद रहती है, बहुत आसानी से बन सकती है. 1, 1, 2, 3 वी नो दैट. व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू m इक्वल्स टू 3, इसके टॉप 3 लेंगे और फिर ये सीरीज डिराइव करेंगे. अब आप पूछोगे कि m इक्वल्स टू 4 के लिए भी क्या Fibonacci सीरीज है? नहीं, m इक्वल्स टू 4 के लिए Fibonacci सीरीज नहीं है. Fibonacci से हम m equals to 3 तक जा सकते हैं. From m equals to 3 we will go to m equals to 4. m equals to अगर 4 हुए कि we are allowed to take 4 steps at a time also, इस सीरीज के first 4 terms will be इस सीरीज के term. This will be 1, 1, 2, 4, यहाँ तक रहेगा। अब इसका जो नेक्स्ट टर्म होगा, दिस विल बी सम ऑफ दीज 4 टर्म्स, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8। अब हम इधर 8 से बढ़ना शुरू करेंगे। हम चाहे तो इसको चेक भी कर सकते हैं। सपोज ये 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, इफ वी हैव 4 स्टेयर्स, अगर 4 स्टेयर्स है हमारे पास, ठीक, एक बार देख ही लेते हैं। सपोज वी हैव 4 स्टेप्स ऑन अ स्टेयरकेस एंड वी आर अलाउड टू टेक 1, 2, 3 और 4 स्टेप्स एट ए टाइम। तो क्या क्या केस बन रहे हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, ये केस बनेगा। देन 2, 1, 1, ये भी बनेगा। देन वी हैव 2, 2, ये बनेगा। देन वी हैव 3, 1, कम्यूट कर देंगे, और एक 4 भी आएगा इधर, बिकॉज वी कैन टेक 4 स्टेप्स ऑल्सो। So this is one case. This is factorial 3 by factorial 2, 3 cases. This will give me one case. 3, 1, 1, 3 will give me 2, and climbing 4 steps at a time will give me 1. कितना हो गया ये? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ways matches. अब अगर m equals to 5 है, अब अगर हमारे पास m equals to 5 है, then we know कि इस सीरीज के आपको 5 टर्म तक लिखने हैं। पुराने वाले सीरीज के 5 टर्म तक लिखने हैं, फिर आपको आपका 6th टर्म मिल जाएगा ऑफ दिस सीरीज। देखा ना, पहले वाले सीरीज के m से जब 2 से 3 में गए थे, 3 टर्म लिए थे m इक्वल्स टू 2 की। 3 से जब 4 में गए, 3 के हमने 4 टर्म लिए। जब 4 टर्म 5 में जा रहे हैं, 4 के हम लोग यहाँ पर 5 टर्म लेंगे, ठीक है ना। 1, 1, 2, 4, 8, यहाँ तक तो मैच करेगा क्योंकि 4 ही स्टेप्स हैं। जैसे ही 5वां स्टेप आएगा यहाँ पर, दिस विल बी सम ऑफ प्रीवियस 5 टर्म्स, 8, 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then it will keep on working. So hopefully you would have understood this. Go through the video again. अगर नहीं बात समझ में आई, कमेंट में लिखकर बता दीजिएगा if you have any problem. Thank you. I'll see you again. Happy learning, and believe me, magic happens. Thank you.